What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are having an amazing day, and in today's video we are going to be installing a bit of a lightweight ROM on our muffin. Now this is a completely veg muffin, as you can see, and it's quite good texture. To be honest, it comes with this plastic wrap over here, and then again we are actually going to install a bit of a lightweight ROM over here, cause again, as you can see, many of you guys don't actually like this bigger version cause it's actually getting outside over here. I have actually eaten this part. So many of you guys don't actually like it. So I'm just going to show you how you can make it a bit more compact and also non-veg. So it just again adds a bit of a more variety to just another audience. And then again, many of you also guys don't like these nuts over here. So again, we are just going to add a bit of a saturation over the display over here, and then again just make it a bit more lightweight and just a bit more flavored. So again, the installation is pretty easy over here. You just need a bit of a knowledge in installing ROMs on your muffin, and then again, once you install this ROM, it looks much more cleaner and better than before. Again, it fits in much more better inside this plastic wrap, so it just doesn't explode over there. So I really do recommend installing this, and once you are done with unlocking your muffin, you just have to hop onto your oven. So let's just do that. So first of all, before you hop onto your oven, you have to actually copy the egg onto your muffin. So in order to do that, just grab an egg, grab a small bowl, just crack open the egg. Then just dip your muffin upside down inside it. Let it copy for at least 4 to 3 minutes. Then just hop onto your oven and just preheat it. This might take again 1 to 2 minutes, depends on your muffin size. And voila, you have successfully installed a lightweight mod on your muffin. Again, it looks much more cleaner than before and much more not Nigerian, but bit more saturated, to be honest. Then again, it doesn't have useless nuts over there which can cause you gas, and then again it doesn't spill over the actual plastic, which is again great. It just fits in right over there. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the muffin mod. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more videos on the muffin, please do subscribe down there. Also let me know in the comment section below whether if you want to see more mods like cherry and all other toppings. I would really love to make videos on that too, and see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.